Alright, what is up, guys? I have a bit of a different video for you guys today. With Bidao's team not being able to figure out how to put out a tweet saying when the rough date for their token burn is, their coin has been selling off quite a bit. So I figure, it might as well be time to shill a new shit coin for you guys. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm still personally optimistic about the future of Bidao. We were supposed to have a token burn sometime October 20th. That didn't happen. Bidao did not put out a statement saying when they would do it. Why? Nobody knows. They don't seem to be very good at their communication skills. But with all that being said, I'm still personally still optimistic about their future. But this video is not about Bidao. This video is about GSX. So, I've seen a few crypto YouTubers talking about GSX, and to be honest, guys, I felt kind of dubious about this. I'm in cryptocurrency. I'm not in the, gold management business. Well, first, I should probably say first what this coin is. It's GSX is a coin, a stable coin that's backed by gold. So it's made by Apollo FinTech, and their coin's supposed to be backed by gold that's produced by their company. So point being, guys, this is a crypto backed by some degree of gold. I'm gonna leave a link for their white paper down in the comments, or down in the, hold on, I can't think with this music, guys, Jesus Christ. Down in the description below, I'll leave a link to this white paper. And yeah, guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm also going to leave a link for a sign-up bonus. If you do decide to put some money into this, I believe I'll get like a 10% commission, and you'll get a 5% signing bonus if you sign up with the link I'll leave down in the description. Now, guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm personally kind of dubious about this myself. I just put a little bit of money into this just to get some exposure, just to see what happens. Because again, a lot of my investments are based off the idea that in 2021 we're going to see a massive bull run, and even if certain coins, I'm not saying this one, but if certain, whatever coin doesn't have the best fundamentals, many coins are likely to benefit greatly from an eventual bull run. So that's kind of all part of my trading strategy right now. I believe I'll also leave a link in the description to their website to see how much each one costs. I believe you're getting like a 67% signing bonus right now, which is significant. Apparently they're going to be listed on Binance too, which that actually kind of sold me, because this doesn't always happen, but when a coin with some degree of hype, some degree of functionality behind it, from the ICO stage gets listed on Binance, Binance listings tends to pump coins. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, that was the thing that kind of pushed me over the edge, that they were going to get a Binance listing eventually. So yeah, guys, yeah, I'll leave the white paper down in the description below. And do your own research, guys. This is not financial advice. I just put a little bit of money into this myself. Who knows where this will go? But yeah, if you do end up signing up, use that referral link. This video, guys, to be honest, I literally just wanted to chill a bit, because I'm dubious about this myself. But hey, if you end up doing your own research and you like this and you want to do it anyways, why not use the bonus, the link down in the description? You'll get I believe you'll get 5%, I'll get 10, or you get 10, I'll get 5, something like that. Anyways, guys, check it out. All right, take care.